Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darryl Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a gardening system called Torpedo Pot. All you do is you walk up to the plant and you put your plants in the planter and it grows your food, or you put your seeds in the planter and it grows your food for you. You don't have to do anything. What you're looking at in about 11 of these planters, we put some buttercrunch lettuce. We went to our grower, we brought about 40 plants, and it cost us $12, $13. So we got about 80 plants, and we just started putting them all in every planter we could see. It was early in the season. It was like March. It was like, oh man, dude, you mean I can get bumper crops from March all the way to July? Yes, you can. And that's what we had. Planters of this variation have grown us about 11 pounds of lettuce. Yes, 11 pounds of lettuce. Looks kind of simple, right? You get 11 pounds of lettuce from a flower pot. But remember, when you cut it down, it grows over and over and over again. It grows back. So, yeah, it can grow an awful lot of food. So what I'm doing, I'm coming out right now, is because my lettuce have start bolting on me because it's getting hot right now. Lettuce is great for the earlier spring seasons, but you know, as you start to go into the summer, you really don't, you want to try a different crop, you know. And so when it started bolting, I realized that I could prolong the age of my lettuce by simply cutting off the bolts. It'll push more energy to the leaves and push it out. And I decided not to do that. What I'm going to do is that, to the breaking my heart, I'm going to go and remove the lettuce. I don't like killing something that's alive. How can you kill a live plant? It's still growing. It grows and it grows and it grows. So that's the dilemma I'm facing right now, is that I'm killing my plants. But the reason why I want their life cycle to end is because I want to put in some summer spinach, Malabar summer spinach. And that Malabar summer spinach is amazing. All I'll do with the torpedo pot, with the Malabar spinach, is just remove the lettuce like I'm doing right now. And I want you to see how strongly these lettuce are tied into this planter. Look at this. They've had a great day inside of this planter. Oh my gosh, they look beautiful, don't they? Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is you put your plants in a planter, you put your seeds in a planter, and guess what? It grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Isn't that beautiful? Man, oh, that's beautiful. It's helping to break down the soil. It's helping to rejuvenate the soil. Plants and soils are a great combination to solve a lot of the world's problems. And so all I do is pull it out. I'm going to shake this soil off of it. But this root system is very, very deep, guys. Don't let it fool you. Now, what's so interesting, we have kale growing in with the lettuce. We planted both seeds around the same, well, the kale came afterwards. And so we planted them in there, and they've been trying to survive, but the lettuce is really taking up all the room in the space, so the kale really can't grow. And I won't allow it, because I pull it out every chance I get, because I love my lettuce. All right, so once you get a good pull, start pulling these things out here, then you can start removing them. Now, before we remove these plants from this planter, one thing I want you to understand. I want you to search high and low. But soil that has been worked in a torpedo pot, that quality of soil that you're getting, you can't buy it. Because the minute you transport it, you destroy the microorganisms. So good soil is made, it's not bought. You make it. You make it. What torpedo pot does is that, again, it doesn't care about which plant you put in the planter, because its main job is to rejuvenate the soil. Our soils are contaminated and full of a lot of debris. And so this gives us an opportunity. I should just take my clippers, just cut this right off as one big lump. But I want to loosen it up for the new crops that are coming in there. I don't want a big lump of soil on top of the seed, so I'll do it this way. So this is the biggest of all of the 11 planters that we're growing lettuce in. This is the largest, which is a 16-inch planter. If you're getting 11 pounds of lettuce and you're dealing with a 16-inch planter, you're doing pretty good. Very, very good. Now I'll pull out all the other plants I got inside of there. Pull them all out. Inside. Level it off. Looks great, looks great, looks great. Just anything that has root to it, pull it out. Just pull it out. Looks beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Now let's count how many heads of buttercrunch were inside of this planter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 lettuce plants in this planter, and they're not ready to die. They're still growing. They're still growing. We chose to take them out of their lifespan. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These planters grow your food for you. You don't ever have to worry about starving or again in your life. Torpedo pot takes care of your plants for you. It does everything for you. So I'm going to now go through the rest of this, and you can follow me if you like. And I'm going to start pulling these things out. Gotta get my spinach in there, pal. I love my spinach. A lot faster now. All right, guys, 3 bags of plant waste. Now, if these were plants that could sit in my cellar like an onion over the wintertime, or in my freezer over the wintertime, in hibernation until I bring it out during the spring again, or the fall, I would do it. But I haven't seen any techniques yet, so I'm working on that. But these are all the plant parts. I'm gonna count them. Hopefully, if I get through it, I will get a good estimate. Now, putting in the seeds are real easy. How much time did it take me to do that? 17 minutes. So I took out that crop in 17 minutes, and there are approximately about 70, 80 that are in there. 15 minutes I just removed. Only in the Torpedo Pot, the self-growing planter, can you remove that much food and replace it in such a short period of time. In 20 minutes, well, 25 minutes, I can have all these filled with seeds and walk away like nothing ever happened. The soil level looks pretty good. I'm not too much worried about it. And the reason why I always like this soil here is because this soil is refined and true. Once you remediate your soil in a Torpedo Pot with the plants, you're almost guaranteed to have the right fungi to grow future crops. Torpedo Pot remediates the soil, which grows the plants. That's why I can take a set of plants out in 17 minutes and put brand new seeds in the next 5 minutes. I never ever have to water my plants again. Torpedo Pot does everything for me. I am set. 11 pounds of lettuce from 11 planters, and this is the biggest of them, the 16-inch planter. There's nothing you can't do with your Torpedo Pot. So I'm going to put in my spinach seeds, Malabar spinach. They're beautiful. I know you'll love them. And I've got to do some other alterations to some planters around the patio. I'm going to put in some brand new seeds and we'll watch them grow also. I don't have a timer over there, but I'm going to put a timer over there now so we can watch them grow and take off. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.